where giants are engineered from raw steel.
Engineered to conquer the underground.
Precision, power, perfection. A giant stands ready.
A journey across the open road.
Steel meets stone.
It begins with raw strength.
It begins with raw steel. Organized for precision.
Prepared for shaping.
Shaping begins.
Every piece in place. Curves are planned. Steel yields to force. Shaped and stable.
Edges refined. Edges refined.
Precision drilled.
Positioned for assembly.
Each joint confirmed.
Strength established. Perspective checked. Support added. Strength established.
So reinforced, where the effort, fixed mechanisms are across the circular.
Secured firmly. Flatness verified. Foundation for motion. Precision placement.
Control points readied.
Chassis unified. From raw steel, the frame emerges.
Power core installed.
Torque meets precision.
Secured for rotation.
Hydraulic strength engaged.
Temperature controlled. Systems connected. Energy flows.
Data begins. Material transfer ready.
Movement tested.
Surface refined.
Prepared for finish.
Foundation layer applied. Color emerges. Layer by layer. Every edge perfected. Sealed in gloss.
Quality confirmed.
Mirror finish.
Front restored.
Systems rejoined.
Awakening begins.
Control center takes its place. Comfort engineered. Systems interconnected. Motion detected.
Every system primed.
Every detail verified. Performance checked. A giant stands ready. Massive engineering in motion. Prepared for the underground.
Rotation under real conditions.
Precision in motion. Operator-ready perfection.
A giant built for tunnels.
Each tooth engineered precisely.
Smooth motion confirmed. Scale and power revealed.
Factory new perfection complete.
Factory new perfection complete.
The giant prepares to leave its home. A journey across the open road.
Reaching the site where mountains meet engineering. reaching the site where mountains meet engineering.
The giant takes its position.
Steel meets stone.
Carving through the mountain.
A passage born from precision and power.